What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply these little buttons to file downloads into our WordPress website into a simple, easy and effective method, and of course for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in our choose internet and our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate to our WordPress dashboard, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus and locate the place where you would like to apply your download button. For example, imagine that you embed a PDF file or a PDF study or a storyboard or a graphic into one of your blog posts. So move to our blog posts, into the posts left sidebar of menus, locate the post where you would like to apply this file, click on it to open the editor. Find the place where you would like to enter this blog post. In my case, it's gonna be right here, so I'm gonna apply some enters. You can apply in any place that you want. You can apply inside of a column, for example. Okay, you can add a block. Right here, we can enter with a column layout, or simply enter into the line. Okay, so I'm gonna click into the file and click right here, media library. You can upload file in order to upload your content to be downloaded. Okay, it can be a receipt, or an ebook, music, for example, an audio, or a PDF. In my case, it's a PDF like this one. Once it's already on my media library, I'm gonna just select it. Now I'm gonna click into this button into the bottom right corner of my screen. Now review the right sidebar into the block editor. We have a couple of options, and the very first thing to do is unmark this option right here, the PDF embedding. So unmark and scroll it down just a little bit. We have the link to media file and attachment page. We can link to media file, and the most important part is this switcher right here, show download button. So as you can see, we can show or not. We can open the link into a new tab or not, up to you. After this, we're gonna click into the save changes to update the post, and let's review the post we have. And that is, we have our PDF download button and the file next to it. Simple, easy and effective. And once again, you can apply this into any section of your site, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. Don't forget to check our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site. Our Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. And our Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.